Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 Mysteria Ecclesia game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. But before you go through the methods, make sure you have downloaded the game Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 in order to play the game. If it is not downloaded, you cannot play this game. So make sure you have downloaded Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game to play the Mysteria Ecclesia game. Now let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements to play the game. So go to Steam, now search for the game. After that, go below and here you can find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all these requirements, and after that try to play the game and check if it helps to launch the game. If not, next is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Now after your system restarts, check if you can launch the game. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if you can play it. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers to the latest version, and after that launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to search for the game application, and after that right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK. Now launch the game and see if it's launching or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and check if the game is launching. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and see if you can play it. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If it's not listed, click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if it helps. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once your game files are verified, launch the game and see if it is working. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is there. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to play the game. Next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Now press OK. Now go to the services. Here go to the services tab. Here you have to select hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab. Now click on open task manager. Now here you have to select the app and after that click on disable option from here. Once done, again go back, go to the system in configuration. Now tap on apply and OK and finally restart your PC and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues, as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of the CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to resolve the problem. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now here you have to go below and search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. You have to select it, right click on it and click on End Task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and once done, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below and here you have to select the link and download it. After downloading it, you have to open it. After opening, you will get either install option or repair option. If repair option is there, click on repair and you have to wait for a few seconds. And after it shows setup successful, you have to close it. Now after that, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next method is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Now here you have to select the game drive where your game has been installed. Select it. After selecting, click on Custom Size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. After that, click on Set and then click on OK. Now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on Settings. Now go below, click on In-Game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to disable it, and after that launch the game. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on General and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from there. Next method is to disable antivirus program as well as firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Go below, click on Manage Settings. Now here you have to check if real-time protection is off or on. If it is off, well and good. If it is on, you have to turn it off. Once done, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But later on, you have to enable the protection again. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on Add Desktop App. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now after the game is added over here, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Kingdom Come Deliverance to Mysteria Ecclesia game, and then click on play button and check if you can play it or the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging or other issues on Kingdom Come Deliverance to Mysteria Ecclesia game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.